This is the MS33A single locking desktop stand, and this is the MS33M with magnetic toggle switch. These versatile stands allow you to position your Dino-Lite at any angle and lock it into place by tightening a single knob. The MS33A is a desktop stand with its own base designed to give you the clearance and versatility you need while also being portable. The MS33M is an industrial stand with a magnetic base that easily switches on and off. This can attach to most metal surfaces just like any magnet, giving you the stability of a desktop stand in places you've never had before. It can even attach to the bases of some of our other stands, giving you an additional viewpoint. The base of the MS33A has threaded holes to accommodate stages, such as this one, which is ideal for jewelry, entomology, and small industrial parts, as well as this one, which is ideal for ballistics. This threading also attaches to some of our other bases, allowing you to create your own custom setup for your own application. For more information, visit our website at Dino-Lite.us.